Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing a beagle. It's going to be a lot of fun, so I hope you'll follow along with me. You're going to need some pencils or something to do the outline with. I'll be using a marker. You can then use like crayons or something to colour with, and you'll need some paper. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with the head. Now for this drawing, see how my page is sideways? We're actually going to turn our page up like this so that we can get the whole body in here. So let's get started. I'm going to use my marker first for the outline. So we'll do the top of the head first. I'll do a big N shape. Not quite a big curvy end though, a bit more of a wide end. And then that'll be the top of the head. From there we can kind of go out a touch. Just see this little bump? And then we'll come in, back down, and then we can start curving it around. And we'll just go over here, another little bump there, and then close it in. Okay, now let's draw the little mouth shape. So come here and we'll do this little sort of a V shape, just like that. Okay, now let's draw the ears. So these are going to be quite big ears. They're going to come up just above from this bump here. And they're going to go out a little bit. And then just come all the way down, little curve in. Very long way down, and then big curve around. And then just join it back up to the bottom of the head just here. Now we'll do the other side. Exact same. We'll try and get it the exact same. Doesn't matter if it doesn't turn out the exact same as mine either. Just remember, your drawing doesn't have to be the same as mine. Now let's draw the eyes. I always like drawing the eyes. So come here to near where the ear was and just do a big circle. Another big circle. There we go. Now I reckon we can draw this little shape. It's like a big arrow shape. This will just be a different colour later when we colour in. Now let's draw the front leg. So we'll come here to the bottom of the ear and we'll draw from one side a little diagonal line and then a little shape out like this, along, all the way along, and then just bring it up sort of to the body there like that. So that's one leg. Now we'll do the other. Try and get it just the same as this one, but if it's not, it doesn't really matter. But, you know. There we go. See, look at that. Two nice front legs. Now we can join the body. So we'll draw the little body shape there. Let's draw the back legs. So come to the back of the ear here. And then similar shape to the front. But then bring it down in a bit. Just like that. And then I'll do the same on this side. Now we can add some little paw shapes. So it's sort of like toes or something. See these little lines? Couple of these, and then do the same on the back legs. Basically, we're just, whatever we do here, we do over here as well. So now let's draw let's go up to the top, and we'll do, they've kind of got eyebrows, but they also have a lot of wrinkles. So this could be some wrinkles or something, or some eyebrows, whatever you want it to be. There, bang, two of them. Let's do the same on this side. Down there. Look at that. Now let's draw the nose. So come here to the top of this V, this sort of shape here, and then we'll just do a big oval shape there. And now we can colour this in. Now we're going to leave a little white strip up the top, so it'll be sort of like a reflection or something, like the sun reflects onto the nose. So I'll just try and get that there. I'll just see that little white part, and then we'll just colour in the base. All in black. There we go. See that reflection there? Now we can come up to the eyes, and we can do, we'll do another reflection here actually. So I'm going to draw a little circle here, and then a little small circle here, and then we'll do the same here. So one there, and then one there. And now we'll colour the eye in. Boom, boom, boom. So you want this all black, or you could actually do it a different color. It doesn't have to be black. If you want a different color, it can be whichever color you like. Now see, my bit here is very small, my reflection, so I'm doing a bigger one over this side. And we'll color this in. Bang. Alright, nearly done. There we go, that's the eye. Okay, let's come back to the front legs and let's do a little, kind of like a crease in the leg. It's sort of like, because beagles have a lot of folds in their skin. So there, see, that's like another crease. We can come back up here and just do some more little ones. Just little lines, like that. Like that. There, see, just some creases in his skin. Alright, I reckon he needs a tail. So let's head to the back here, just near his bottom foot. And we can do this like a sort of sitting on the ground. If you just curve it in and then have it narrower at the end than it is at the base. There we go. That's all good. We are actually ready for colouring now. So I'm going to speed this part up. Just pause it whenever you need to. And I'll talk about what I've coloured in at the end, so you can colour in your own one the same if you like, but remember you can do it different colours if you want as well. So we'll colour it in 3, 2, 1, go. Well, we've finished our beagle. I reckon he looks so good. So what I did for colouring, I used this orangey brown colour for the top area, and I coloured in the eyes and the top of the head. And then I used this lighter colour because I wanted some colour on the feet. You don't have to do yours the same as mine, but I just wanted a bit of colour on the feet, so that's why I did them. It almost looks like he's got socks on or something. And then I did the same colour for the tail. So he's all done. Also, I added some wrinkles into the legs here because they've kind of got folds in their skin a little bit, beagles. Well, thanks for drawing with me, guys. I had a lot of fun drawing my beagle. Roof, roof, roof. It was great. I reckon it was really good, actually. So I like drawing the folds in the skin. I thought that was a lot of fun. I'll see you in the next video.